Vande Vani Vinayakam. I, teacher Balakrishna, welcome to all my students to BBL Seragada through YouTube. I hope my students, you are ready with pen, paper, previous knowledge and practice. Practice. Why practice? Practice is the master key to learning. Don't be lazy, because lazy man is the enemy of his family, his village, state and the nation. When he thinks I am the enemy of myself, at that time his life has already been ruined. There is nothing to do. So my dear students, don't be lazy. I am an Oriya. I am going to narrate in very shortcut an example of learning language in a Oriya family. In case of a child who doesn't know any grammar. So listen carefully. A child is approaching towards fire. Mother shouted, fire, Nia. Hearing mother's shout, the child frightened and stopped. First he received the sound. Listen carefully. First he received the sound, Nia, and tried many times, but yeah, and finally Nia. He practiced and finally succeeded. So my dear students, practice is the master key, what I have already told you. So no practice, no success. Don't be mind, my children, I don't like lazy. I narrated the example only to encourage you. Here stops my preaching. Now teaching starts. Come to the topic. Open your notebook. Today's topic is about question. So think of the first sentence, I go. It is the first sentence. I have already told you. I go. This sentence has no verb group. Let's make a verb group. I go means I do go. You know, it is a verb group. And do is the finite verb. You know, in the previous class. So change into question. Do first. Do I go? Munjaye ki. Now answer the question. You answer the question. Suppose the question is, do I go or do you go? What will be the answer? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Or simply, very shortcut, yes or no. Do you go? Yes or no. So the answer begins with yes and no. The answer of this question begins with yes or no. So it is called yes no question. It is very simple. It is very easy. You have already known in the previous class. Only here I mentioned the name. This type of question is a yes no question, because the answer to question is answer to question begins with yes or no. Over. Now we will discuss another type of question. That is a double H word question. Second is the first yes no question. Second, double H word question. So what is double H word question? First we have to know double H word. what, why, where, when, how, etc. These are double H words because these words have double and H, double and H, double and H, double and H, and here double and H separately, but double H is here. So these are double H words. Understand about double H words? Now look at how easy it is to make a double H word question. So you look at the table here. You look at the table. Here two columns. This table has two columns. Do I go? You know earlier, do I go? Yes, no question, do I go? Simply we fix a double H word before the yes, no question. That means a double H word question means a double H word plus yes, no question. Very easy. Now, double H word question is over. Formation of double H word question is over. Double H word question means double H word plus yes, no question. Understand, my students? Now make sentence from this table. Make sentence from this table. Where do I go? When do I go? Why do I go? How do I go? How many sentences? 4 sentences. Turn over. Where do I go? ମୁଁ କେଉଁ ଆଡ଼େ ଯାଏ? When do I go? ମୁଁ କେତେବେଳେ ଯାଏ? Why do I go? ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ଯାଏ? How do I go? ମୁଁ କିପରି ଯାଏ? Understand? How easy? Only we change a small sentence I go gradually to complex, but in a easy process. Very, very easy process. Now come to the second table. This is the second table. Here you mark the same double H words are here. Where, when, why, how. To make easy. Same double H words. But in this column there is a negative question. In table 1, do I go? In table 2, don't I go? In the same process, you make sentence. Sitting in your home, in your own home, don't need up to any teacher, help of any teacher or anyone. Simply in this shutdown and lockdown period, you practice yourself. See, look at where don't I go, when don't I go, why don't I go, how don't I go. In the same process. Where don't I go? ମୁଁ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଏନି. When don't I go? ମୁଁ କେତେବେଳେ ଯାଏ ନାହିଁ. Why don't I go? ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ଯାଏ ନାହିଁ. How don't I go? ମୁଁ କିପରି ଯାଏ ନାହିଁ. Now you see, very easy. Table 1 and table 2 help you how to make double H word questions. Positive double H word questions, negative double H word questions. Now, my dear students, you are ready for your task. Task means you don't fear. Only 12 sentences. Only 12 sentences. Look at here. I have written here. 12 sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. Only this much is today's task. But mind it, you have to practice it for 100 times. Otherwise, you will be counted lazy. A serious man, a serious student, lazy. So you have to practice and practice and practice. Because you are in a shutdown and lockdown period. So don't be lazy, my students. First know how you have to practice. I go, I don't go, do I go, don't I go. 4 sentences in the previous class. Today's new sentence, 8 sentences. Where do I go? When do I go? Why do I go? How do I go? Where don't I go? When don't I go? Why don't I go? How don't I go? This is number 1. In this way, you have to practice How many times? 100 times. Speed. I go, I don't go, do I go, don't I go? Where do I go, when do I go, why do I go, how do I go? Where don't I go, when don't I go, why don't I go, how don't I go? In the same speed. You have to practice and practice. Just like the child, I narrated a story. Yeah, 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 many times, and finally, yeah. In the same process, because this is the master key to learning a language, whether it is in Oriya or in English. In my you watch my videos. In the same process, I teach learning Oriya language. In the same process, I try to teach English language in a very easy process. So, my dear students, you are given task. I narrated everything, and you have to practice and practice. You cannot think of myself in which condition I am preparing the lessons. I am terribly affected by sugar and heart patient. Still now, I have to engage in this work only for you. So, mind it, my dear students, don't be lazy.